Hello everyone and a very warm welcome. In this particular demo, we will convert documents using Power Automate. So before we get into the demo, let's understand the use case. I have to upload a mixture of documents, maybe Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Visio, or an AutoCAD. I want my Power Automate to automatically go ahead and understand the document type and convert it into PDF. So that being said, I'm in make.powerautomate.com and I'll select an automated flow. I'll select the SharePoint trigger. The trigger would be when a file is created or modified properties only. To this particular action, I'll give it a site address. I'll give it a library name. Next, I will add the SharePoint get file content action. To the action, I'll specify a site address and a file identifier. Next is where the real magic happens. I'll use the Muhimbi connector and the action would be convert document. This action is intelligent enough to pick up the file type and convert it into PDF. So firstly, I need to pass in the file name with extension and then I need to pass it the file content. Here you see I have specified the output as PDF. The override settings are optional. For example, if you need additional configurations during the conversion, you can specify an XML. Template file content is used for info path conversion and filling in form fields. And fail on error is if an error occurs, do you want to go ahead and stop your flow on this action or do you want to continue? So now that we have configured the convert document, the next step would be to use the SharePoint action and create the file back into a folder. So I'll use the create file. I'll go ahead and write it back into a folder named as PDFs. I'll pass it the file name. So the base file name is the file name without an extension. So I need to append .pdf and then I'll pass in the file content and then I will pass in the processed file content. I will go and give this flow a meaningful name such as convert document and I'll save my flow and I'll test my flow. So to test this particular use case, I'll go back into my SharePoint. I will upload a mixture of documents. So I have uploaded 6 types of documents, mainly Excel, Visio, a Word document, a AutoCAD document, a PowerPoint, and an image. So this should actually trigger my flow 6 times. So if you see, it has already completed 2 conversions. So let's wait for a few seconds for the flows to complete. And here, my friends, everything has been succeeded. So here you see that the files are converted to PDF. So this is an image which has converted with perfect fidelity. Then you have a construction drawing that is an AutoCAD file which has also been converted. Next, you have the presentation. Let me quickly open it as well. Presentation itself is converted with perfect fidelity. Then you have the sales data, which was an Excel file, which has been converted. I had a Visio file that's been converted as well. And then finally, I had a Word document, which has been successfully converted. So that's pretty much it. I hope this demo was informative. Thank you for your time. Have a great day and bye-bye.